Hi, my name is Varney Jallah CEO, founder of Total Structure Solutions, and I am from New Jersey. And I just completed the Dominique Brown agency program, and I want to say this is by far is the best training that I ever received. Prior to taking his agency program, I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on other programs, but this is hands down is the best one that I ever taken. Prior to taking this course, I was looking for something to be able to structure my business, be able to take it to the next level, and I came across Dominique program, and I want to say I don't regret it one bit. The action plans and the strategies from his program, I was actually able to implement those plans, and the amount I spent on the program, I was able to receive that money back 5 or 6 times already. So if you're on the fence about it, I'll definitely recommend it. You won't be disappointed. There's no fluff. Everything Dominique states in that he's going to give you that plus some. So all you have to do is just follow the game plan, follow the strategies, and implement. You won't be disappointed. Thank you. Take care.